Translation. O my Lord Nrsinga, in this way, just being engaged in your transcendental loving service, I shall be able to associate with devotees who are liberated souls, hangsas, and thus, being completely uncontaminated by the association of three modes of material nature, it will be possible for me to chant the glories of your Lordship, who is so dear to me. I shall chant your glories fully following the footprints of Lord Brahma and his disciplic succession. In this way, it will be possible, without any doubt, that I shall cross over the ocean of nescience.
Suham priyasya suhita paradevutaya Leela kathastava nisinga virincha gita Anjastitarmi anagrinan gunavipramukta Durganite padajuga layahangsa sangha. So, in this verse, two words are very important. One is Virincha Gita. Virincha means Lord Brahma. And the followers, just like we, Gauriya Sampradaya, means we belong to the Brahma Sampradaya. Our Sampradaya begins from Lord Brahma. There are similar other Sampradaya, just like Rudra Sampradaya, then Kumara Sampradaya, and there is Lakshmi Sampradaya, Ramanuja Sampradaya. So there are four Sampradayas. Brahma Sampradaya, Rudra Sampradaya, Kumara Sampradaya and Lakshmi Sampradaya. And if we do not take either of these Sampradaya in this disciplic succession, then our attempt to advance in spiritual life will be failure. Sampradaya vihinaji mantrasti vipalamata. You cannot manufacture your own prayers unless you follow the footprints of Mahajan. They are Mahajan. This Brahma, Mahajan. Lord Shiva, Mahajan. Kumara, Mahajan. Lakshmi Devi is a potency, spiritual potency of Lord Vishnu. Lakshmi Narayan, Narayan's potency. She is always engaged in massaging the lotus feet of Narayan. You have seen the picture. Sri Sampradaya. Sri, she is known as Sri. Sri means opulence, fortune, beauty. So she is the reservoir of all these things. So she has got, it is called Sri Sampradaya, the Ramanuja Sampradaya. They are called Sri Sampradaya. They worship Lakshmi Narayan. Everyone worships the Lord and his potency, spiritual potency. Just like we worship Radha Krishna. Similarly, the Ramanuja Sampradaya, they worship Lakshmi Narayan or Sitaram. So, we should follow the Sampradaya. Sampradaya Vihinaji Mantrasti Vipalava. So, here Prahlad Maharaj said that Prahlad Maharaj is also Mahajan because he follows Mahajan. he says, Virincha Gita, I will enjoy, I shall relish Tavo Leela Katha, your pastime, the narration of your pastime. But it is not that narration as it is written by some mundane dramatic drama writer or novel writer. No, not that. That is useless. You should not touch. If some ordinary person has written something about Krishna's Leela, you should not touch him. It must be in the Sampradaya. Must be authorized person. Otherwise it is useless. You should not touch him. Therefore he specially mentioned Leela Katha Stava Nishinga Virincha Gita, which is given by Mahajan, like Brahma. Just like we offer prayer from Brahma Sangita. We cannot offer prayer from any other person written by any other nonsense. No, that is not possible. Virincha Gita. There is power. If you recite the prayers composed by Mahajan, it has got spiritual power. Just like in your country, Mr. Max Muller, he is very famous as translator of Vedas. But many scholars, they have read the translation of Max Muller, but nobody could understand what is the purpose of Vedas. Because he is not in the line. He is useless. Similarly, that French professor, he has mentioned specially in comparison to my writing, he has rejected even Aurobindo and Dr. Radhakrishna. Yes, that is right. What Dr. Radhakrishna Aurobindo knows about Krishna consciousness? Because they are not in the line. They simply try to exhibit their erudite scholarship. That is useless. Nāvatmā pravachanena labdha, na medhaya, na bahuna sutena. This is the injunction given in the Vedas. Ayamatma, self-realization, God-realization. Nayamatma balahinena labdha. One who has no spiritual strength, he cannot understand. It is not possible. Nayamatma balahina na medhaya. If you have got very good fertile brain for manufacturing, concocting ideas, that doesn't mean you will be able to understand Krishna. That is not possible. Nayamatma pravachanena labdha na medhaya na bahuna sutena. Only one who is favored by Krishna and his, I will say, confidential devotee, what is it? One cannot understand. Therefore, Prahlad Maharaj is given warning that I shall recite the narration of your pastime, which is composed by Brahma. Virinchi. Virinchi means Shiva Virinchi Nuta. That is the secret of success. You cannot compose by whimsical way. No, that will not be possible. Therefore, the next word is very important. When he says, Padajugalaya Hamsa Sangha. Padajugalaya Hamsa Sangha. This is possible when we associate Sangha. Sangha means association. Whose association? Padajugalaya Hamsa. One he is, because Krishna's feet is compared as lotus feet we say. So where there is lotus, there is Hamsa, swan. Swan, you'll find. That is the difference between the crows and the swan. Crows gather in a place, filthy place, where all rotten things are kept. The crows come there. Where all rotten things are there, all the crows will come. But when there is lotus, the crows will not go there. The Hansa, swan, they will go there. Even in the bird society, there are classes. Crow society, swan society, pigeon society, sparrow society, everyone has got society. But one society is different from another society. Similarly, where there is Krishna Katha, the crows like man will not come. Where there is cinema, where there is prostitute dance, where there is drinking, the crows like men will gather. Tadavayasa tirtham. Tadavayasa means crow. So, natadavachas chitra padang harer jasa praganita karhichi tadvayasam tirtham. Any literature, very nicely written, just like Shakespeare writing or some other big mundane writers, they are writing. It is very nicely written, grammatically very correct, and metaphorically very nicely meant. Natadavachas chitrapadam. Chitrapadam is very artistically written. There are literatures very artistical. Natadavachas chitrapadam harere jasa pragnita na karichi. But there is no glorification of the Lord. Simply literary presentation. Such kind of literature is described tad bayasatirtham. This kind of literature is preferred by the class of men who are like crows. Crows. But the Vedic literature, which is sung by Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, a devotee, even that is broken language presented. Tad giranti sinanti sadhava. They will be accepted by saintly person. They will sing it and they will accept it. That is the secret of success. If your literature is exactly following the Mahajanadina Sadhana, then it will be liked by highly advanced saintly person. And if it is a presentation of mundane literary career, therefore that gentleman has rejected him, Aurobindo and Dr. Others he has rejected, they are useless. Other commentation on Bhagavad Gita, but he has rejected even Aurobindo and Dr. Radhakrishna. Dr. Radhakrishna is well known as a big philosopher, and Aurobindo is also known as great speculator. But he has rejected. Yes, they should be rejected. Because it is bias of things. What is the use? Jugglery of words. It has no fact, all imaginary. all imaginary. So they are going on there. Therefore one must be warned, as Prahlad Maharaj said. This is Mahajanaja. Prahlad Maharaj, as he is saying, we must accept. We should not indulge in speculation of literature, literary career, which is never touched by the Maharaj. So, it is that one must be, the literature must be Virincha Gita. Why you are giving so much stress on Bhagavad Gita as it is? Because it is spoken by Krishna. Similarly, anything written by Krishna's pure devotee, that is important. Otherwise it is not important. It is not important. Soham priyasya suhida. We should be engaged always. Reading a book is very good, but it must be written by authorities, then it is good. Otherwise, if you read 24 hours the newspaper or ordinary book, that kind of reading is simply a waste of time. But if we read authorized literature, then that what will happen then? Then andasa asitarami anugrinan gunavipra mukta. Very easily, simply by reading such book, we shall be free from material entanglement. Simply. Because just like Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavan Krishna, they are identical. There is no difference. Don't think when I am reading Bhagavad Gita, not with purpose, then I am bereft. But to associate, with a desire that I shall be able to associate with devotee and Krishna, then Bhagavad Gita is not different from Krishna. There is no difference. Advaigat. Advaigat means without any difference. Vadanti tat tattam idas tattam jadgyanam advaya. Advaya. If you are a devotee, bona fide devotee, when you read Bhagavad Gita, you must know Krishna is there. If you are a pure devotee, when you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna is there on your tongue, dancing. Don't think other way. Krishna is there. Nama Chintamani Krishna. Nama. Anyone who is chanting Hare Krishna without any offense, 10 kinds of offenses, you know that. By avoiding offense, if you chant Hare Krishna, then you must know that Krishna is there. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasavigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Avindatya Namanamina. Similarly, when we read literature, Leela Katha, just like we are reading now, Srimad Bhagavatam. This is Leela Katha of Krishna and his devotee Prahlad. This is Leela, exchange of dealings between devotee and the Lord. The whole Bhagavat, it is called Bhagavat. Why? The only subject matter is Bhagavan and Bhakta. Bhagavan is the Lord and Bhakta is devotee. It has no other. You won't find any newspaper item that there was earthquake in London and this and that. You don't find early. It is not like that. Tad Mahayasa Tirtham. Not for the enjoyment of the crows like man. It must be swan. Hamsa. Hamsa, why? Hamsa is taken. Paramhamsa. Hamsa has the capacity, Hamsa means swan, he has got capacity. If you give to the Hamsa milk mixed with water, the Hamsa has got the capacity, it will drink the milk and reject the water. Therefore Hamsa. Paramhamsa means, although they are in the material world, they have kicked out the material things, but he has taken Krishna. That's all. Krishna is there. Everywhere is Krishna. Ishavāsamidam sarvam. Even in this material world there is Krishna. But the Hamsa can take it. Not the crows. The crows cannot take it. Therefore difference between the crows and Hamsa. So those who are in Krishna consciousness, they are being trained up to become a Hamsa, or they are Hamsa. They don't care for anything, material things. They are concerned with Krishna. Therefore Paramhamsa. Krishna is everywhere. Goloka eva nivasati akhilatma bhuta. But the devotees can take Krishna from anywhere. Ihaj, how it can be taken? What is the process? The process is this devotional service. If you are engaged in devotional service, in anywhere you are with Krishna. Ihajasya harer dase karmana manasa vacha nikhileshu api avasthasu jivan mukta sahucchate. If one has got sincere desire to serve Krishna, in any position, in any body, in any circumstance, he is Jivan Mukta, that is Paramhamsa. Jivan Mukta means, although he is living in this body, he is Paramhamsa. He has nothing to do with this body. He has everything to do with Krishna. So we have to take shelter of such person. Therefore it is said, Padajugalaya Hamsa Sangha. The devotee who is always living under the protection, shelter of Krishna's lotus feet, like Hamsa. Hamsa, you will find, they enjoy when there is a lotus. They go down within the water and entangle with the stems of the lotus flower. There is a prayer by Mukunda Maharaj, Advaiva, me manasa hamsa, like that, and just now I forget. So, our mind should be trained up like Hamsa, who entangles himself with the stem of lotus flower. So, we have to take shelter of this Hamsa, Padajugalaya Hamsa Sangha. Unless we associate with such Hamsa, who has nothing to do with this material world, who has taken the creed of the material Krishna, such Hamsa, if we become his servant, Gopi Bhattu Padakamalayo Dasa Dasa Dasanu Dasa, then it will be successful. Padajugalaya Hamsa Sangha. Then it will work. If we associate with Hamsa, pure devotee, then our life will be successful. Anyasa titanmi. Very easily we shall cross over this ocean of Nissan. There is another verse like that. Bhavam buddhi vassa padam paranga padam padanga ja vipadaganatisa. Samasitaji padapallavam plavam. The same thing differently expressed. Samasitaji padapallavam plavam mahat padam punna jaso murari. Bhavamudhi vassa padam parama padam. Bhavamudhi, this great ocean of desire in which we are now fallen and very much struggling for existence, exactly just like if you are thrown in the ocean. You may be a very good swimmer, but the condition is very dangerous. You will have to struggle. You cannot say, I am a good swimmer, I shall be very easily able to cross over the ocean. That's not possible. But if you take the shelter of the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord, Samasitaji padapallavam plavam. Anyone who has taken shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna, what is that lotus feet? Mahatpadam. It is the shelter of the whole material creation. Mahatattva. Mahatattva, from Mahatattva, the total material energy, that is called Mahatattva. From Mahatattva, the whole cosmic manifestation has come. Therefore, the lotus feet of Krishna means that there is also Mahatattva, many Mahatattva. Samasitaji padapallavam plavam mahat padam pulla jaso murari. Of Murari, Krishna's another name is Murari. Pulla jaso, always pavitram paramam. Then this bhavambudhi vasapadam, the great ocean of Nissan becomes a small spot of water as it is made by the hoop spring of the cups. Vasapadam. So, Prahlad Maharaj in the previous verse, he described what is the position of this material world. Jasmat priya priya yoga viyoga. Simply lamentation. Sometimes we are so-called happy by getting the desirable things, and mostly we are unhappy associated with undesirable things. So in order to save ourselves from these opposing elements, the best thing is suggested, Soham priyasya suhida paradevotaya lila katha. Let us be engaged always chanting or reading the pastimes of the Lord. Lila katha. If you read Srimad Bhagavatam, then it is full of lila katha, the pastimes of Lord Krishna. So that is the only way to get out of the miserable condition of this material world. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that Tiradapi Sunichena Tarorapi Sahisnana Amanina Manadena Kirtaniya Sadahari. Kirtaniya, this is Lila Katha. Lila Katha Kirtaniya. When you read or hear or chant about the pastimes of the Lord, that is also Kirtan. And if you chant Hare Krishna mantra with instrument, that is also Kirtan. There is no difference. So we must engage Kirtaniya Sadahari. Either we should chant Hare Krishna mantra or we should read our book. This is what. Then we will be saved from Maya. Otherwise, at any time, we will be victimized. Thank you very much.